All right, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to the first video of Cup of Joe Investing. This YouTube channel is going to be all about investing and insights into the market. If you want copy trading info and advice, I recommend going to All Copy Trading on Facebook and or allcopytrading.com, which has even more info and articles about copy trading. Today's video is going to be about stock earnings and how they report them, how it works. This was recommended by a friend, Mateo Gomez. He gave me the idea to educate you guys on how to behave during earnings, especially during this volatile period in the market. The first thing I want to talk about is conference calls. That is how all of these companies report their earnings. Usually the CEO and the CFO are on the call and they go through everything that happened in that quarter in the last 3 months. They'll go through the financials, most importantly, guidance, tariffs, the economy, anything they really want to talk about, they can. And what I want you to look for in those conference calls is their tonality and their guidance. Because a lot of times, a CEO, once you hear him talk, if he's very excited about the business and sees a lot of opportunity, it seems clear. Meanwhile, if he's all angry or he's frustrated with the business and you can tell that they're not having any success, that can tell you a lot about a company without any words. Also, guidance is huge. A lot of times, stocks will either shoot up or plummet depending on the guidance that the CEO gives in the quarter. If they raise guidance, then obviously they think that they're really doing well and that the stock should continue to go higher. But just because they don't raise guidance or because they lower guidance doesn't mean that you should automatically sell the stock. Again, we are long-term investing. That would be short-term investing. The third is look at the financials that they reported. Did they beat the analyst estimates? Every time there is an earnings season, analysts give their predictions about a company's earnings, and usually depending on how a company reports against what was predicted, let's say a 10%, 4% beat, that is how the company did that quarter, whether they did better or worse. You want to be looking for revenue, net income, mainly the income statement, maybe check the balance sheet, but you want to make sure that they're still growing revenue, they're growing net income. And look, if the company isn't profitable, I'm not saying don't buy it, but just be careful because an unprofitable business gets hit very hard during a recession. Also, banks report earnings, and look, JP Morgan reported on Friday. They beat expectations by 4%. They have a great CEO, Jamie Dimon. If you want insight into the economy, more than just all the stats and figures from the Federal Reserve and the interest rates, then really listen to Jamie Dimon and hear what he has to say about tariffs, trade, the economy of the world as a whole. He's a great guy to listen to for insights. Also, it's important to see what products they're working on, their product breakdown, how they're performing. If your company has multiple streams of revenue, or even better, recurring revenue as a service, that is, then you want to see how many customers they signed up, what is the annual contract value of those customers, what is a customer acquisition cost, how much did it cost for them to acquire them? These are all key questions to ask when investing in stocks like Netflix, like HBO. A lot of subscription stocks are not based on just whether they beat earnings or not. They're based on annual contract value, right? They have predictive revenue that's very great. My favorite subscription stock is Zuora. I will probably be making a video about Zuora very soon. And finally, you also have presentations and analyst questions at the end of the conference call. So along with the conference call, they'll make a presentation with all the stats, the products, and the revenue breakdown. And at the end, for half an hour, usually analysts from different banks and investment firms call in and ask specific questions about the business that they didn't cover, or ask for certain insights into their business. Now, after the analyst is done asking their questions, you can go and check out the 10Q, which covers everything that happened in the quarter. It's a very comprehensive document. And you can also check out the 10K, which is everything that happened within the year. Alright guys, that's the end of the first video. Thank you for watching Cup of Joe. Please subscribe, leave a like, and let me know, what company are you looking forward to reporting earnings soon? Thank you for watching and have a great day.